Howdy, this is how you put a piston in. Make sure that you have it connected. Place the piston on the hole. Once your piston's in there pretty far, you're going to want to grab you a flathead screwdriver and stick it down there. Make sure it doesn't slip because it'll hurt like a bitch if you hit yourself. There you go.
Piston's in.
The piston is in.
Yeah, so what you do, you just all the way down there, and then
now,
you put your head back on, and you're all fucking mini, or it'll run just fine like that.
Now you want to grab your crankshaft though. You want to put your crankshaft in. Alright. Take your oil pan.
Oh yeah, your minty fucking oil pan.
There you are.
It's supposed to look just like that.
And you're all set. Your engine's all ready to run.
Yep, just put that fucking recoil on there and give her a pull, she'll fire right up. Mow your lawn like never before. Peace out, brethren.